पूज्य स्वामी जी, कृष्णा मैम, रविंद्र जी, नित्यानंद सर,
मनसा सततं स्मरणीयं वचसा सततं वदनीयं लोकहितं मम करणीयं लोकहितं मम करणीयं नमोर्भवने रमणीयं रजसुखशयने शयनीयम् अहं निशं शाचाकरणीयम् अहं निशं शाचाकरणीयं लोकहितं मम करणीयं लोकहितं मम करणीयम् अनाथदुर्गम गणनीयं रजनीकसाक्षं रमणीयं कार्यक्षेत्रे करणीयं कार्यक्षेत्रे करणीयं लोकहितं मम करणीयं
it is with immense joy and reverence that I stand before you today to welcome an illustrious personality, a beacon of wisdom and spiritual guidance, Pujya Swami Abhedananda Ji of Chinmay Mission. Today we gather not just to listen, but to be inspired and transformed. Swami Abhedananda Ji currently serves at Chinmay Mission in Durban, South Africa. Previously, he held a position at the Chinmaya Seva Center in Singapore, where he led various initiatives for 2 years. Inspired by the teachings of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji, from a very young age, he joined the Vedanta course at Sandipani Sadhanalaya in 1993. After completing the course, he served as Abhay Chaitanya Ji. He was the driving force behind Chinmay Udghosh, the popular youth magazine of Chinmay Yuva Kendra, which he nurtured for a decade until 2005. Additionally, he authored the vibrant coffee table book Crescendo Peaks, released by Pujya Guruji during the Chinmay Vishwa Sammelan in 2001. In recent years, his insightful articles have been featured in Tapovan Prasad, the spiritual monthly magazine of Chinmay Mission. On Mahashivaratri, March 8, 2005, he was initiated into sannyas by Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayananda and bestowed the name Swami Abhedananda. Over the years, he has traveled extensively across India, Bahrain, Nepal, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Africa, conducting numerous Gyan Yagnas and spiritual retreat camps for adults, youths, and children. His efforts tirelessly disseminate the teachings of Pujya Gurudev. Swamiji has dedicated himself to the service of humanity, spreading the profound wisdom of the ancient scriptures with compassion and clarity. Sarvebhyo namaskara, yah sada dharma parayanaha, yasya krite cha yashah praptate, tam vande jagata gurum. I bow to the one who is always devoted to righteousness, whose actions bring glory to the world. And now we invite respected Swamiji to kindly address our students with his wisdom and insights.
गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पतान शृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः सरस्वत्यै नमो नित्यं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नमः वेदवेदान्तवेदाङ्गविद्यास्थानेभ्य एव च ॐ नमः प्रणवार्थाय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. Hari Om to all of you. Are you happy right now? Nobody is saying anything. You have to answer with the full vigor. Are you happy right now? Going on. Once I went to Gwalior. हमने कहा आपका क्या हाल है? बोले जी रहे हैं सब। हम कहा क्यों? बोले मर नहीं सकते। First thing is, remember one thing, you don't have to do anything to be happy. If you cannot be happy now, what is the guarantee you will be happy afterwards? Am I right or not? Supposing you say, I'm not happy, I'm very sad. So how can you say tomorrow you will be happy? Am I audible till the end? And last row? Can you hear me? Okay. So don't think, first thing in life I tell you, you won't believe but I'll say. God is everywhere or not? Say yes. Is God happiness or not? So happiness should be everywhere. And every time. So this time also happiness should be there. You know, there was one person going in the train. And he took out a lot of money, lakhs of rupees he was counting like this. In front of him one thief was sitting. Thief said, wow, today he made my life. So this person slept, ये तो सो गए सेठ जी. After he slept, thief got up and started searching all the bags, but he couldn't get anything. He said, my God, where he kept? Maybe he has deposited on the station somewhere. फिर सुबह हुई, फिर उन्होंने बैग निकाला सेठ जी ने, फिर गिनना शुरू कर दिया. Thief कहा हम पागल है क्या? 3 days this happened. 4 days station came. So thief came to that सेठ जी. He said, देखिए आप बुरा मत मानिए, हम चोर हैं by the way. और आप पैसा रखते कहाँ थे? आपके पास रोज ही, हम रोज आपका सारा सूटकेस हमने देखा, हमें पैसा ही नहीं मिला. सेठ said, I knew you were a thief. Before sleeping, I used to keep the same money in your bag. हम सारा का सारा पैसा आपके सूटकेस में रख देते थे, because I knew that you will never search yourself. You got the lesson of the story? Tell me, who will tell what we got? What is the lesson of the story? Please raise your hand. Fast. जल्दी बताओ. Anybody? Come on. No, माइक की जरूरत नहीं, माइक. हाँ, yes. No, नहीं, माइक की जरूरत नहीं है. अरे सुनिए, रुक जाइए. हाँ. Very good. What is your name? हाँ? Bhushan. कुशल. Okay. Very good. देखो, ये मत सोचना कि कभी हम आज से खुश होंगे. I'm telling you one secret of living. Sometimes happiness is very apparent. Sometimes you have to discover it. You know, one Buddhist was there and Gautam Buddha was sending him for missionary work. He said, जहाँ जा रहे हो वहाँ के लोग कम आए तो बोले, अरे कुछ तो आएंगे. कहा मान लो कि कोई नहीं आया. कहा कोई हमको भगा तो नहीं देगा, मान लीजिए. कहा मान लो तुमको भगा दिया तो. कहा मारेगा तो नहीं. कहा मार डाला तो. कहा जान से तो नहीं मारेगा. कहा मान लो जान ले लिया तो. कहा अच्छा है, कम से कम आत्महत्या करने का पाप तो नहीं लगेगा. In life, one golden rule is, there is no time and no place where there is no joy. Are during exam also? Exam also. But we don't know how to discover it. Every moment there is some fulfillment, there is something beautiful hidden. There was one saint in Vrindavan. His name was Swami Sharanand. He was blind. So somebody told him, आपकी आंख नहीं है, आपको बुरा नहीं लगता? कहा आंख न होने से हम सारे अटैचमेंट से बच गए. ना कोई हमसे अटैच होता है, अंधे के पास कौन जाएगा? और ना हमारा किसी से अटैचमेंट होता है. तो भगवान ने इतनी कृपा करके हमको डिस्पैशन गिफ्ट कर दिया, जिसके लिए पूरी दुनिया मर रही है, सारे साधक, हमको तो अपने आप ही मिल गया. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज never say and feel the present is very bad. Don't go to the astrologer and say अभी हमारा समय कैसा चल रहा है. बोले अभी तो नहीं है, 8 महीने तक समय खराब है, उसके बाद बोले आदत पड़ जाएगी. So don't say like that. So first thing in life, there is no place, no time, no person, no situation which is not very good. You are agree or not? You don't agree? Huh? Even if it is boring, कुछ भी खराब हो, लगेगी गड़बड़ है, लेकिन उसमें भी एक खुशी होती है. You have to discover the happiness. Don't say I am not happy. One day एक दिन होंगे, एक है ना भजन, हम होंगे कामयाब, ऐसा नहीं, हम होंगे कामयाब. कब होगे भाई? एक दिन. मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होंगे कामयाब एक दिन. और क्या होगा? होगी शांति चारों ओर, चारों. आज क्या है? अरे आज परेशान है भाई. First thing is, even if you are not succeeding, success is not happiness. Please break this equation. And failure is not sorrow. Don't think my failure is a sorrow and success is a happiness. If you put any equation with happiness, you will be sad person. So first thing in life, discover that today is a very good day to love, to understand. अभी अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पे? Say yes or no. बोले क्या अच्छा लग रहा है? If you cannot enjoy the moment, what is the guarantee? You know, एक बार हम जयपुर, दिल्ली से जोधपुर जा रहे थे by train and the ticket got cancelled. तो कुली ने हमको जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में कहीं सेकंड क्लास से बैठा दिया. बैठाए भी नहीं, रास्ते में खड़े ही थे. From 11 o'clock to 3 o'clock, I was just standing holding to that. और हमको इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. हमने कहा let me enjoy this moment also. पैर में दर्द हो चाहे जो हो, I have to make the best out of this moment. If you have promised to yourself, I'll make best out of any difficulty, then you are very brave. Then you are the hero. Then you are bringing the God in you. First is this law in your life. Don't forget this. That right now, I am not working for joy. I'll be working out of joy. Don't work out of joy. For joy. अच्छा तुम लोगों ने कभी गाना गाया है? अच्छा गाना अभी गा रहे थे ना, माइक काम नहीं कर रहा था. Anybody is a singer here? हाँ? Raise your hands who are singers. और कौन है singer? Please raise your hand. Who else is singer? Come on. I will not. दो more. Very good. Who can sing भजन? भजन गा सकते हो तुम? अच्छा एक बात बताओ. Who are singer? When you are singing, are you happy or sad? If you are not happy, you cannot sing well. Do you agree? ये थोड़ी ना अच्छा क्या करते? Maybe you can sing ghazal. they sing out of sadness. Otherwise, if you are happy, हे मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. टुगेदर. हे मालिक, लाउडली, दे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम. बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी, अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी. बड़ा कमजोर है आदमी, अभी लाखों है इसमें कमी. पर तू जो खड़ा है दयालु सदा, तेरी कृपा पे धरती थमी। दिया तूने हमें जो जन्म, तू ही झेलेगा हम सब के गम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते। You know where I heard this song beautifully? I went to Rewa jail. Twice I have gone to jail, not as a convict, but to give talk. और जेल के सामने जेलर और वो एसएसपी सब आसपास। 800 life convicts were there. That means all had murders. और जैसे आप लोग ने भी भजन गाया ना, तो उन्होंने भजन गाया और सब के सब व्हाइट पहने थे और सब लोग चुपचाप बैठे थे। और जब उन्होंने भजन गाया तो इसी भजन को गाया और खूब खुशी के साथ गाया। इतने खुश थे वो लोग, मतलब वहां पे भी they were so happy. There is not a moment, friends, when there is not a God there. Einstein's name, all of you, not Einstein, what क्या नाम है उसका, who discovered this bulb? Edison invented. You know, his whole life's work was burnt. And he came out to see the burning of the fire. And his wife said, "Oh my God." And for a moment, Edison said, "What?" And next moment he said, "So what? I can again do it. This has given me a challenge to again do it." Was it not a joy in that fire also? Say yes or no. Don't say it was boring. It was a difficult thing, but still he discovered joy. You have heard the name of Lokmanya Tilak? You know what? He wrote Gita, one Gita Rahasya, he has a commentary on Gita. And that was confiscated in the prison by the Britishers. I don't know you know or not. When it was taken away, he was not sad. You know what he said? उन्होंने कहा, इन्होंने हमारी गीता ले ली, हमारा दिमाग नहीं लिया है. I can rewrite the whole book once more. He was happy in that situation also. Don't think कि हमारी situation बहुत ही खराब है. Many have gone through worst and they were very happy. Discover happiness. Don't say, "Oh, it's a bad day." Never say such words. It is not a bad day. You are not able to discover the goodness in that day. ऐसा नहीं कि खराब दिन है आज, हम उसमें अच्छाई देख नहीं पाए. That was my problem. It was not, the day was not okay. Do you agree? Huh? You know, Alexander's name, although I'm not very fan of Alexander, but sometimes his father used to conquer kingdoms and he used to be sad. They said, why? Bole, I have to, if he conquers everything, what will I do? I have also to conquer many things. When difficulties come, our Gurudev used to say, see opportunities in difficulties. Don't see difficulty in opportunity. So first thing in life, never feel sad. Maybe you have lost something. Never mind. Again you will try. Swami Vivekananda used to say, if you fail 1,000 times, make one more attempt. I say, if you fail 100,000 times, make one more attempt. You will win someday. Don't undermine yourself. There's a spark in you. There's a divinity in you. ये नहीं क्या हुआ, हम क्या करेंगे, हमसे तो कुछ होता नहीं. I went to somebody's house. One boy was appearing for IIT. अभी भी IIT का एग्जाम तो होता ही है ना IIT का. I think वो डिस्क्वालीफाई कर गया. उसने गाना लगाया. जानते हो क्या गाना था? दिल के अरमा आंसुओं में बह गए. हमने कहा मारेंगे तुमको, तुम्हारे अरमा भी हम जिंदा कर देंगे. First is discover that what is beautiful right now. What is something great? What is something sparkling here? What is something, some opportunity I have? You know, once I went to one university and seeing me, अब you are school students, वो लोग यूनिवर्सिटी में थे, उन्होंने सिटी बजाया. और एक फिल्म का गाना गाया। हमें क्या करना चाहिए? What I should have done? They were not quiet. They were singing song. They were, blowing the whistle. What I should have done at that time? Can you guess? हाँ? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? बोलो ना. If you were at my place, what you would have done? हाँ? नहीं कुछ. Raise your hand and say. What did you say? Anybody? What you could have done? What was the best thing to do at that time? Huh? Somebody said here. Huh? No, but why? How to enjoy? देखो हमने क्या किया? हमने एक काम करते हैं. Come on the stage. और फिर गाओ. हम भी गाएंगे, तुम भी गाओ. लेकिन छिप के तुम गा रहे हो. You are like a rat. If you have a heroism, come out. I will also sing the film song, you also sing. चुप. लेकिन हमको लगा उस समय, let me use the opportunity to at least make them aware of what is right, what is not. Our Gurudev went to some school to give talk, and all the window panes were all broken there. सारी खिड़की टूटी थी, दरवाजा टूटा था. I mean, the children were like a hooligan there. So Gurudev said, Gurudev means Swami Chinmayanand. He said, I'm very, very happy to see the broken doors and windows here. And then he added, from this I conclude the children have a lot of energy. Only thing, we have to redirect this energy in the right direction. But I'm very happy to see the broken doors and windows. That was his statement. So first thing is, don't allow yourself to go low. Something beautiful is there. One IS interview was going on. And one person entered, he slipped. Because they had peeled something was there, he slipped. सब लोग हंसने लगे. अब it was bad start for him. So the moment he sat in the chair, the interviewer said, well, how do you feel? You slipped? You know what he said? हमें आप लोगों के बीच में गिर पड़ने की आदत है. From that he got selected. He didn't give up the heart. If you have given up the heart, you have lost everything. First thing in life, don't have the habit of finding out what I cannot do, what cannot be done. Find out what can be done in the present situation. Am I right or wrong? Say yes. Okay, yes. This is what makes a person extraordinary. Where others have failed and given up, he doesn't give up and he doesn't fail. It is not the intelligence, it is his tenacity, it is devotion, it is his persistence, it is his patience. And he is hopeful. When you are happy, you are hopeful. When you are happy, you are inspired. Don't allow the mind to go low. क्या हाल है? मर रहे हैं. अच्छा हाँ, हे भगवान हमको उठा लो, हम सुसाइड करना चाहते हैं. Anybody has tried suicide, committed suicide? Raise your hand who has been successful. Nobody tried committing suicide? कोई बोल नहीं रहा है. कोई लड़कियों में नहीं? पक्का? But I have met people who have tried to commit suicide. एक बार हम इंदौर में थे, एक लड़की आई, बोले स्वामी जी I want to commit suicide. I said jump. 9th floor is there. See that you jump head because you should die. She said you have no heart. I said but you wanted to commit suicide. I can't help you. It will become murder. Why you want to commit suicide? You know what she said? I was scoring 98%. Now it is 92%. I said बस इतना तो हमारा कभी भी नहीं आया. और हमारे दिमाग में तो कभी सुसाइड करने की बात भी नहीं आई. Chicken 100%. Never think that you are not good. Never think you are lost. Never think you are bad. One boy wanted to commit. I told in MPBM also. He wrote outside the door, committing suicide, don't disturb. And when the police broke the door, he was hanging by the waist. वो कमर से लटक रहा था. पुलिस वालों ने कहा तुम पागल हो क्या, तुमको मरना भी नहीं पता. उसने कहा गला से रस्सी लागे, गला घुटने लगा. So, second point in my life, in my point is that learn to accept something which is not changing. Don't resist which is not changing. देखो एक लड़की थी, her both the legs were not there. You know what she did? She climbed Mount Everest from Bengal, Calcutta के आसपास की. Don't feel that I can't do anything. Challenge yourself. This is the second point. Third point I'll say. हाँ, what? बोले हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है तो नहीं है. What does it matter? Many people don't have many things. It doesn't mean they are good for nothing. Which singer was blind? Who was the singer who was blind? नहीं पता आपको? हाँ? रविंद्र जैन. रविंद्र जैन, good. इतने बड़े सिंगर बन गए. Tell me, you all have believe in yourself or not? How many of you believe that you are meant for something bigger? Raise your hand. अरे यहां से तो कोई है ही नहीं. Come on. Very good. All of you. Very good. Give them all a very big hand. You know, you all are meant for something bigger. Don't think I'm meant for something smaller. I'm not saying you have to become popular. You can be a great servant of your father, mother. Moment the person loses his faith, his energy goes away. Don't lose your faith. I can do something bigger. You know Einstein's name? He was a 10th class failure. Einstein failed. He was a... Have you heard Bill Gates' name? He was a dropout. You know this? Bill Gates was a dropout. Have you heard Steve Jobs' name? He was a dropout. Don't think you can't do something. Maybe you can be a singer. Maybe you can be a cricketer. Maybe you can be a carpenter. Maybe you can be a sculptor. Maybe you can be an artist. You know, 25 years back, one very dullard boy was there in the school. I knew him since my childhood. Everybody used to say he's good for nothing. And I heard his exhibition was held. So हमने कहा तुम्हारी exhibition हो रही है. And he became so popular. His one painting was 50,000, 70,000, 50 years back. 25 years back. I said, क्या हुआ तुमको? बोले हमारे पास ये टैलेंट पहले से था. हमारे पापा हमको ही रोकते रहते थे कि तुम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाओगे. You are good for nothing. But moment I was allowed to express, I can do magic. All of you heard the name of Dhoni? You know how much he had passed? What was his education qualification? Who will say? He is not even hardly BA. He was a ticket collector in Bihar. But moment he recognized himself, he became a hero of the whole world. You agree? So don't feel bad if you are not good in something. I'm not good in studies. Or you are good in something. This is the second point. Never undermine yourself. अपने को पहचानो जरा सा. विश्वास रखो. There is something more in me that I feel I can do. अच्छा? Most of the actresses, you know, they are not even 12th class pass. I'm not taking their names. Those whom you say the hero, 12वीं कक्षा भी, they are not class 10 and they're superhero there. So don't think that only this is studying is everything. This is second point. First point was discover happiness every moment. Second point, you are not small. Can I go ahead? Or you are bored? बोले हम? Okay. Third point, learn to share happiness. You know why well water is good? Because it shares happiness. When somebody in your class is scoring high, do you go and appreciate that? उसकी तारीफ करते हो जाके आप? Say yes or no. जेलसी नहीं होती? होती नहीं है? अरे बड़े संत लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ. Moment, you know, who appreciates, he is always happy. हर चीज में आप अच्छे नहीं होंगे, आपसे अच्छा कोई ना कोई होगा, और जहां आपको अच्छा दिखे ना वहां जाओ, एंड यू कैन अप्रिशिएट फुल हार्टली, खूब खुश होके कहो. द ब्यूटी इज व्हेन यू शेयर योर हैप्पीनेस. इफ यू शेयर योर मनी, मनी विल लेसन और इट विल बिकम मोर, इट विल बिकम लेस. इफ यू शेयर your books, it will become lesser. But if you share your happiness, it will become more. आप बांटो खुशी को, अच्छे से बात करो. Try to speak very sweetly. How are you? Why you are asking this? How was the morning? Okay. Have you eaten food? Do I look an animal or what? Don't speak harsh. How many of you speak harsh? And get angry. Very quite honest people are there here. Many are not honest. Acha, how many of you speak very sweetly at all times? दोनों में ही कम लोग हैं भाई. Learn to speak something beautiful. Don't become harsh. Moment your speech is not good, you are not sharing happiness. Don't be a source of sorrow for anybody. Don't be a source of trouble for your father and mother. Don't be a source of trouble for your parents. You agree? You agree or not? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You know, one boy I remember, his mother was not well. So his mother said, get me water. So he took water. And mother slept. So after she slept, he still was standing whole night. तो मम्मी जब 4 बजे सुबह जागी, मम्मी ने कहा क्या हुआ? कहा नहीं, आप जब जागती ना तो आपको लगता पानी नहीं है, इसलिए हम देंगे पानी. मम्मी ने कहा तुमको खूब ब्लेसिंग मिले. If you are not serving, if you are not giving, this education doesn't give you joy. What gives you joy? How much joy have you given to others? How many people smile because of you? How many people are happy because of you? Am I right? You know, I went to somebody's house for Bhiksha. So that person said, Swamiji, I'll show you my daughter. You see how she is. And moment I went, the daughter opened the door, said, Daddy, how are you? How was the day? Give me that briefcase. You will have tea, coffee. Okay, come on. Swamiji is there. Very good. Daddy, can I press your hand? Daddy, can I give you some hot coffee? Daddy, what can I do? Well, please sir, Swamiji. Swamiji, what can I do? You know, I was there for 2 hours. And then that father was just smiling. You know what he said? He said, Swamiji, what you talk in Gita, I see her living that. Not once she gets angry. Not once she gets sad. Are you a source of happiness for your parents? Nobody is saying anything. Yes or no? All of you. Raise how many people, parents are happy with you. With all honesty, Saraswati, my sitting here. Nobody's, very few. You know when they are not happy, not because you didn't score, but because we talk harshly. Because we don't press their feet. We don't touch their feet. You don't share your happiness. Learn to go. You know, as you study subject, every day sit with your mother and father. पूछे मम्मी कैसा दिन था आज? Just talk. They may talk rubbish. Just listen. जी 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 जी. कैसी हैं आप? Have you said any time your parents, मम्मी आपने हमारे लिए बहुत किया है, very lucky boy or girl? Who has said this? आपको पता है एक बात बताएं? Maximum parent comes to me and they, Swamiji, I am very worried because of my daughter and son. I am worried they may get in a bad company. वो इतने परेशान रहते हैं. And that person may be topper in the schools and colleges. Who cares? If you have not worshipped the living gods, the God in the Murti will help you. People don't touch the feet of the parents. वो जैसे भी हैं, उन्होंने हमारे लिए कुछ किया। आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपके लिए कुछ किया है? All your fees your father pays. All your, upbringing, your cooking, the food, everything your mother has done for 20 years, 16 years. You owe to them. Say yes or no. You owe to them. But what I have given, what you get in life, that makes your living. What give you life, that makes your life. What we give to them, nobody will answer. What you give to them? Raise your hand. Come on. Anybody who says, with all honesty, you have to say, no dishonesty. What you give to them? Say something. Yes. You will give them. आप उनको देते हो care and love? Huh? They are happy with you. Very good. Anybody else? What else you give? Say something. What else you give? Huh? Respect. Anybody else? Every day you give time. But you say that. Did you express it? एक बात बोले आपसे. You not feel bad, no? बोल दे. जब भी वो कभी कुछ बोले ना, never. Even if it is wrong, don't react back. Today I am telling you, I never spoke with my father and mother loudly once. Many things I did not agree. When you don't express the happiness towards, you're the one who give you everything. Do you think you'll be happy? Everything what you give will come back to you. Today, students are after studying, competition, money, job. What is the purpose? Never see that your mother cries because you had spoken harshly, or they are worried about you. Every smile that will come from the depths of the heart is because of their blessings it will come. You may become IIM person, you can become IITian, you can become IS. Nothing will give you peace of mind. You agree? No, don't agree. Today I am smiling. You know why? Because my mother, my father, my guru, all have embraced me and showered their biggest blessings upon me. कुछ बुरा है ना, आप सह लो उसको. Tolerate it. Don't. Every word should be measured well before you talk. मम्मी ने कहा तुम पढ़ते लिखते कुछ नहीं हो, कैसे काम करते हो? Don't react. आप नहीं समझते. Keep quiet. मम्मी, हाँ, सॉरी, हम पढ़ेंगे. हाँ, हम पढ़ेंगे अच्छे से. I'll make you proud. आप चिंता मत करिए. कैसे नहीं चिंता करें तुम्हारी? तुम ऐसे पढ़ने नंबर नहीं लाते हो. मम्मी, हम ट्राई करेंगे. प्लीज कूल डाउन. कितने बार हम स्टूडेंट्स को डांट देते हैं और उनकी गलती नहीं होती. लेटर ऑन रियलाइज इज नॉट रॉन्ग. तुम देर से क्यों आए? तुमको देर से आना चाहिए था क्या? ऐसे में किसी को डांट दिया. Why you are so late? You should not have been late. If you are late, go out of the class. You know what he said? Sorry. Please, Swamiji, sorry. I will not come. And later I discovered whole night he had a high fever. लेकिन उसने सॉरी बोला हमको ना. He won my heart. He didn't answer back. He didn't justify. You are not what your degree is. You are. How many smiles are because of you? Studying is very small thing. अरे यार, ये 12th 11th है ना ये इनका. Which class is this? 11th and 12th. In 1 year you will complete. After that you will go for engineering, medical, BCom, MCom. Nothing will give you peace and happiness. I write it for you. You may get a good job. You will get a good degree. You may get married. You may go to America. Peace will come only when you sacrifice your joy and give to others. Peace will come from egolessness. Peace will come from sacrifice. Peace will come when you give smiles. Say yes or no. Loudly. Don't be satisfied by these peanuts. Call your degrees and your positions. It is peanut. Something more is there in life. You are meant to serve. You are meant to give. You know, one Mahatma was there. He was reading a book. So nice book was there. I was seeing. उसने कहा अच्छा तुमको बुक चाहिए क्या? हमने कहा हाँ हाँ. बोले कल आना. तो हम गए उनके पास. कहा तुम क्यों आए? तुमको किताब चाहिए इसलिए आए? हमने कहा जी. बोले जाओ कहीं से आ जाते हो. हम नहीं देंगे तुमको किताब. बताओ चलो जाओ 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 कमरे से बाहर चलो. हमें कुछ गुस्सा नहीं आया. हम बाहर गए ऐसे खड़े हो गए. आफ्टर 20 मिनट ही केम. बोले गए नहीं तुम? उनका सॉरी जाए. बोले तुमको गुस्सा नहीं लग रही? हमने कहा नहीं हमसे गलती हो गई कुछ. आप सॉरी, आप हमें क्षमा करिए लेकिन आप शांत रहिए. जानते हो क्या किया? हमारा गला पकड़ा. कहा तुमको हम टेस्ट कर रहे थे. आओ तुम सारी किताब ले लो जो चाहिए तुम्हें और तुमको हम इतना अच्छा तरीका बताएंगे पढ़ने का ना. उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दे दिया. इफ यू कैन टॉलरेट हार्शनेस ऑफ अ सिचुएशन you will become great. You know, एक मूर्ति आपने देखी है मंदिर में जाके, और एक पेवमेंट में कुछ संगमरमर के पीसेस होते हैं, देखा है? से यस. तो किसी ने कहा मूर्ति में और इस संगमरमर में डिफरेंस क्या है? जो पीसेस होते हैं ना एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, ऐसे ऐसे तिकोना, ऐसा स्क्वायर, ऐसे ऐसे लगा रहता पेवमेंट में. तो सेंट ने बोला कि वो जो बनाने वाला था ना स्कल्पचर, when he was hitting and putting, this murti did not break, and therefore it became a murti. But this pieces broke, therefore people are walking over it. And this murti did not break, therefore it is adorable and worshipable. Do you agree? If you don't break after getting harshness, you will grow in life. And growth in life is growth in character. You want to become that mosaic or that splintered pieces, or you want to become that murti? You all want to become adorable. Am I right? Say yes. So first point was discover happiness at all time. Second point was you are not small. Third point was give happiness. Share it. Fourth point was don't break. What is the meaning of breaking? Can anybody say? टूटने का मतलब क्या होता है? बोलो बोलो जल्दी बोलो. हाँ? Loudly, yes बेटा. हाँ? No. What is meaning of breaking is losing hope. Huh? Anybody else? Very good. Anybody else? Anybody else? You both are right. I can't do. I am a bad person. You are not. You know, one place I went, one boy was there. He was not great, but every time he used to stand and give me water. Every time he stand, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, हमारे मन इतना पिघल गया उसको लेके. हमने कहा तुमको दुख नहीं कि तुम पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो? कहा नहीं हमें कोई दुख नहीं है. क्यों? कहा हमको सत्संग मिलता है और जो भी अच्छे हैं ना हम उनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करते हैं. आई कैन स्टिल सर, हम झाड़ू लगा सकते हैं, हम पोछा लगा सकते हैं, हम आपको पानी दे सकते हैं, हम आपके लिए खाना बना सकते हैं, हम रोज मम्मी का पैर दबाते हैं. हमें सब लोग प्यार करते हैं. हम कभी टूटे नहीं हैं अंदर से. जो अहंकारी होता है ना वो टूट जाता है. Every egoistic person breaks off and on. This glass is there. See, if I throw this glass, will it break? Say yes or no. Why it will break? It is hard. But if I throw a flower, it won't break. because it is soft. Friends, don't be hard in life. Don't talk hardly. Don't think hardly. Love all. A person's capacity is not how much intelligent he is, how bigger is his heart. That is most important. दिल बढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, दिमाग बढ़ाना बहुत आसान होता है. दिमाग वाले हर जगह मिल जाते हैं, दिल वाले मिलते ही नहीं. My time is getting over now. You know, ये सब हमने कहाँ से, from when I meet people, I go out and meet people just to learn. Love and learn. इतनी बात हमें सीखने को मिलती है. इतने बड़े बड़े लोग होते हैं दिल वाले. I was telling that in that school, when I was studying, I slipped from first position to fifth position. And I heard a knock. I was sitting so sad, and the boy came. Who was he? The same topper who took away my position. And I said, congratulations. He did not answer. He said, tell me, you are first. How did you slip to fifth? I said, I don't know. I'm not happy. He said, take out the first paper. ये क्वेश्चन तुमने गलत क्यों किया? इसमें 5 नंबर तुम्हारा गलत हो गया. सेकंड पेपर निकालो. 20 marks you lost because you did not attempt this. I said, but what you have to do with this? He said, because I want you to be topped. I said, but why? I said, why? He said, I want to see you smiling, not me. Anybody who is smiling because he is making others smile. He said, come on, cheer up, let's go for coffee. We went for coffee. Whole year he was constantly with me. And when the result came next year, it was a sad day for me. You know why? Because he brought the mark sheet. He said, Hebe Purre, he is first now. My friend is first now. I said, what about you? He said, छोड़ो यार हमारा. हमने कहा कुछ तो बोलो. कहाँ फोर्थ है? हमने कहा दुख नहीं हो रहा है? कहा नहीं. हमने कहा क्यों? कहा हम तुम एक हैं. I love you and you love me. I was there with him for 1-2 years, but it changed my whole perspective of seeing success. Who is great? With his joy, everybody is happy. Don't be a cocoon person all the time. Do you agree? Say yes. Say yes. Yes. So these are the 4 points. First point was loudly. Loudly, please. You are not going to be unhappy. Something is there to make you happy. Discover that particular point. What is there? Second point. Second was? Never say, I cannot, I'm bad. No, you can do a lot. Third point. Very good. Share happiness and worship living gods. Love them. Talk to them properly. Don't see only negative point. My father is sleeping till late. He is waking till late. Don't see all these things. There is more than that in him. If he was not there, you would not be here. And last point. Sorry? Don't break. Wipe the tears of others. If somebody is crying, you find out what I can do. हम कैसे सुख दें? That is what will define you. Be a great person, not a big person only. Don't be a big moneyed person. Don't just have dream for money. Wife, how are you? I want a very good wife who gives me life. ये नहीं चाहिए. I want to give life to others. Become other Subhash Chandra Bose. Become another Bhagat Singh. Do something. How much they suffered. Have you gone and seen, anybody has seen, what is his name? Freedom fighter? Who's the Andaman prison? Anybody has gone and seen the cell of Veer Savarkar? किसी ने देखा है उनके अंडमान में सेल? Who has gone and seen? कोई नहीं देखा है? You should go and see. Cell is so small. And they were so inhuman. His feet was tied with the shackles. Or like वो बैल से वो जो तेल पिरवाते थे ना, he was made to do like this. His brother was in the same jail, but he was not allowed to meet. He was thrown and बोले खाओ खाना, ऐसे खाना देते थे. Eat it, खाओ. He did not break. He said, India is my country, I will fight for it. Go for the nation. Go for something bigger and higher. Success and happiness kisses that person who goes for something bigger, some higher goal in life. And his name became immortal. So wish you all the best. And thanks to the management, to the principal, and Krishnaji and Ravinji especially. Not a time comes when I come to Prayagraj and I don't visit these colleges. And seeing your smile, smile please. Seeing your smile is the biggest reward that I get. Make others smile, you smile. Even if you fail in your life outwardly, you have not failed unless you have not given up your heart. If your heart feels for others, you are still successful. My definition of success is who has given maximum joy to maximum people in minimum time. Not the one who has got maximum money in minimum time. What did I say? Giving? Loudly. Loudly. Maximum joy. Please repeat after me. I will give maximum joy to maximum people in minimum time. Thank you very much. I love you all and I want to see you on the top of the world by controlling your mind and be such a person that everybody around you should think he is a living God. My son is my teacher. My son, my daughter is my guru. My son, I am lucky to have a son and daughter like you. Be that proud son and daughter so that all around you really cherish the moment spent with you. Thank you all very much. I love you all and keep on being happy and smiling at all time. Hari Om. Thank you. Questions are there? Questions?
स्वामी जी आपने बोला कि हमें आज की हैप्पीनेस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए रेदर देन थिंकिंग कि हमें फ्यूचर में जो हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी. स्वामी जी आप बता सकते हैं हम किस माइंडसेट से ये अप्रोच करें. जैसे हम अभी स्टूडेंट से पढ़ाई करें, 12th की स्टूडेंट हूँ मैं, मुझे मेरे फ्यूचर को लेके बहुत अनसर्टेनिटी है, तो मैं अभी अपने पढ़ाई को अप्रोच करते हुए कैसे अपना माइंडसेट रखूं कि हैप्पीनेस भी रहे, मेरा कॉम्प्रोमाइज भी ना हो मेरे हार्ड वर्क पर.
वेरी गुड. क्या नाम बेटा आपका?
सवांछा गुप्ता.
तुमने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा. हम एक बात बताते हैं. ये सोचना हम खूब अच्छा मार्क्स लाएंगे और उसको हम प्रेजेंट देंगे अपनी मम्मी को, पापा को, सोसाइटी को. स्टडी नॉट फॉर योर सेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपने लिए पढ़ो, अपने लिए नंबर लाओ. बोले हम जो कुछ भी बनेंगे हम किसी बड़े के लिए करेंगे. दे विल बी हैप्पी, दैट विल गिव मी जॉय. क्योंकि उन्होंने हमको दिया. मोमेंट यू थिंक आई विल गिव जॉय, यू बिकम वेरी स्ट्रांग. एंड मोमेंट यू थिंक आई विल टेक जॉय, यू बिकम वेरी वीक. जैसे ही तुम सोचोगे ना अभी हमारे अंदर हैप्पीनेस नहीं है, यू विल बिकम वेरी वीक. सोचोगे नहीं, आई विल गिव देम मैक्सिमम हैप्पीनेस बिकॉज दे आर वेटिंग फॉर माई रिजल्ट एंड आई विल डू हार्ड वर्क टू पे द डेट्स ऑफ माई फादर एंड मदर. You will have lot of strength in you. Okay, this should be the mindset and approach. Hari Om. And if you love your father, mother, teacher, parents also want to see, teacher also want to see, country also wants to see, your relatives also want to see. You said I'll give them maximum what I can do. Even this thought will inspire you, even if you can't give very good marks. Hari Om beta, Hari Om. Anybody else?
Pranam Swami ji. My question is, how would you advise someone who has everything but is still not content with his life?
See, you cannot advise something. He may be having everything, but it is a very personal thing. He has to understand that I have to change. जिंदगी में किसी को बदलने की कोशिश ही मत करो. हम उसको समझा सकते हैं 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, लेकिन यहाँ सब्जेक्टिव मैटर होता है ना. He has to take the advice. I can't force the person to understand. उसको समझना पड़ेगा कि आपके पास बहुत कुछ है. कई लोग, आप लोग हॉस्पिटल गए हो कभी? If you go to hospital, you will see some people have hearing problem, some have kidney failure, some have cancer, some are so much in pain. You all don't have that. Are you not lucky? आप जाके देखो तो लोगों को क्या क्या तकलीफ होती है. 4-year boy, you know, they are doing child labors. You go there in Muzaffarnagar, they are holding a stone, they are picking up the things, their masters are slapping them. हम लोग को तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं है सब. We are so lucky. हमने तो देखा भी नहीं कि स्लैब क्या होती है. हमको तो किसी ने स्लैब भी नहीं किया कभी. लेकिन हम जब देखते हैं बच्चों को, so difficult for them. So always make them aware that they have a lot which millions don't have. Hariom, what's your name?
Sir, Shreya.
Shreya, very good question.
Thank you, sir.
Hariom, thank you, beta. Hariom. Yes, anybody else? She has said that my body is well designed and we have lot of emotion. Why should we suppress other emotions to feel happy? Right, no? Something like that. We are not suppressing. We are sublimating. Every emotion need not be great emotion. Supposing I am angry, I have to think whether I should be angry rightly. Is it the right moment or wrong moment to be angry? It is not suppressing. Suppressing out of compulsion when you just say no. But I think, is it worth? Is there a bigger option available? Any bigger joy is there? Bigger emotion is there? When you, which class you are in? 12th. When you passed 11th class, you stopped sitting in 11th class. You did not suppress that class because you have grown over it. Your emotion for 12th class has come after that. Right? So similarly, when you have higher emotion, automatically lower emotion are not suppressed. Their feel is unnecessary. So when the happiness emotion is so big that jealousy, anger, frustration, passion, etc., they are very lower emotion. They take me to the future and past. Something bigger is there. See, we have got a lot from my father, from my mother, from my teacher. Why not celebrate what I got rather than crying for what I don't have? Supposing I come to your house, and you give me breakfast, you give me mithai, you give me rasgulla. Then I said, you did not give me cham-cham. You did not give me that particular sweets. So I should appreciate what you have given me rather what you have not given me because of certain reasons. So in life, appreciate more what you have got free of cost rather than what you don't have. Friends, you will not have everything in life. But whatever good you have, you can do much, much better than that. You know, one day mountain was there. So mountain and one squirrel was there. So mountain was laughing on the squirrel. See, you cannot take big tree like I take on my head. You know what the squirrel said? You cannot crack a nut also. You cannot crack a nut. आप अखरोट नहीं तोड़ सकते, but I can crack. So you can do something very good. Okay, good question. What's your name? Sanjeevni. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा नाम है. Yes, last. My time is getting over. Yes. ये mic ठीक रखना भाई.
Good morning, sir. So
अच्छा,
my
तो-
question is a bit. So my question is a bit longer. Can I ask you?
Of course, ask. Come little forward so that I can listen properly. आगे आ जाओ थोड़ा सा.
Sir, education has become the most important thing nowadays. It
What,
can
what?
be
What has become most important?
education.
Yes. Yes, yes. No, say.
Education has become the most important thing nowadays. It can make you achieve whatever you want in your life, and the competition has also got very tough. Waking up at 5 a.m., going to school, studying there for 6 hours, coming back home, and again going to coaching and studying there till 7 a.m. 7. So, sorry. So we are repeating this schedule for again and again, and after this, we are still not reaching to our parents' expectation. Slowly, slowly we started to get depressed, and so, sir, my main question is how to deal with this situation.
How to?
Deal with this situation.
Very good question. बहुत अच्छा question है. Awkward तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. क्या नाम है आपका?
Sir, Astha.
Ask her.
Astha.
Acha, Astha. Very good. She's saying that so much of repetition is there, tight schedule is there, expectations are there. How to deal with all these things? First of all, be at home with yourself. Being means relax. Relax means I am not going to lose anything. हम खो नहीं देंगे कुछ. नंबर कम आएगा, ज्यादा आएगा, लोग बोलेंगे, नहीं बोलेंगे. I am not going to lose anything. Moment you think I will lose a lot, you will become tensed. And first is this. Second is, whatever work has come, do it quietly. You are your own person. Never compare. Be inspired by others. Don't compare from others. Everybody may be good in something, you may not be good in something. You may be good in something other where he is not good in. You are your own person. Discover that spark in you. और यही सोचो, how through the studies I can make the parents happy. And don't do which is not in your limit. Try to do slowly. परेशान मत हो. Live your own value. Present, make your present quiet, happy. And how to do it? Always think, I have got a lot and I'm expressing my joy. My study is the mode to express my joy, not to get joy. Moment you go for getting joy, you are tensed in the present. I am talking out of joy or for joy? Say all of you. I speak out of joy. I am not going to get anything, I don't want anything. I am speaking out of gratefulness and love for you. Anything which you do out of love of God, slowly your strength will come back. Don't get into the circles like that. Okay? Just try these two things. Present is, I've got a lot. Second thing, I'll give a lot. And whatever is possible, I'll do it. And third, don't compare. These 3 points remember. Hari Om. अंदर की बात दिख जाती है किसी, and they are unhappy. Every selfish person is unhappy. Every person who is hating or attached somewhere is unhappy. If you want to be unhappy, the 3 things are required: selfishness, attachment, and hatred. If you don't live for others, you'll be unhappy. Bhagat Singh, while dying also, he kissed the gallows, if you remember. उन्होंने फंदे को चूम लिया था और बोला था, सर फिरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. वो भी इतने खुश थे. और हम लोग जीते जी भी मर ही रहे हैं. People are unhappy, they live for their own personal joy. मेरा पैसा आ जाए, हमको अच्छी जॉब मिल जाए, तुम्हारा जो भी हो. I want for myself. ऊपर से आदमी शो करता है, अंदर से खोखला रहता है. If you live with them, you see how hollow they are. Never we should be that hollow personality. Live for something. Even if you become doctor, engineer, से हम डॉक्टर बन के बहुत अच्छा काम करेंगे. इंजीनियर बन के I'll earn money, but I'll use for others that money, not for myself. My life will be like a light of the sun. Sun gives light to all. I will also give light to everybody. Always keep that mind thought going on. Okay, what's your name?
Aryan.
Aryan, very good name. Yes, can I say over now? और भी क्वेश्चन है? अच्छा हाँ.
Swami ji, namaskar.
हाँ.
Swami ji, how can we balance our spiritual and materialistic world?
You don't need to balance. No need to balance. Spiritual is all pervasive. खाते समय स्पिरिचुअल होना है, बोलते समय स्पिरिचुअल होना है, चलते समय स्पिरिचुअल होना है, नहाते समय. Every time maintaining an attitude, God has given me a lot and I have to give back to Him. This is called spirituality. At all time you have to be aware of this. It is not that you have to balance. पढ़ाई करने जाओ, बोले जाओ हम भगवान के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स को खुश करके दिखाएंगे. हाँ, if you are taking bath also say भगवान के लिए हम स्नान कर रहे हैं. I will look fresh. I should be a source of joy for others. So keep that attitude. It's an attitude all the time and not an action. Spirituality is not an action. Religiously is an action. पूजा करना अलग है, लेकिन मन में भाव रखना वो अलग है. Okay, what's your name? Manish Mishra. Very good. Thank you all. Anybody else? Last question. Very good question. क्या नाम है आपका? ईशान. बोले इन्होंने कि हम कोई नया काम शुरू करते हैं तो उसको नर्वसनेस होती है. यही है ना? उसको कैसे डील करें? देखो नर्वसनेस जानते हो क्यों होती है ईशान? इसलिए होती है हमको लगता है कि हम पाएंगे, नहीं तो सब खत्म हो जाएगा. एक ऑप्शन रखो, नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं मिलेगा. आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट. हम लोग बहुत ऑब्सेशन में रहते हैं, इतना नंबर आना चाहिए, ये काम ऐसे ही होना चाहिए, नहीं हुआ तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे. डोंट हैव लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स अराउंड. जो बोल रहा हूं जिसको बोले, आई विल गिव माय बेस्ट शॉट. हम अच्छे से अच्छा प्ले करेंगे, अच्छे से अच्छा काम करेंगे. अगर हम हार भी जाते हैं ना, एटलीस्ट आई विल लर्न वेयर आई वाज रॉन्ग. कितना काम हम जब पहली बार करने गए तो हमको लगा पता नहीं फेल होगा, हमने कहा फेल हो, एटलीस्ट आई लर्न दिस वाज नॉट वर्थ. गो आउट एज अ हीरो इन योर लाइफ, एज अ सर्वेंट ऑफ गॉड, एज द वन हु इज गोइंग टू लव ऑल. और कहना अगर हम सक्सीड करेंगे इससे तो हम सबको सुख देंगे इससे. एंड ऑल द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कम्स टू दैट पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर ऑल. And moment you are working for one person, only one person's strength will be there. Moment you work for the whole globe, whole world's strength and purity and prayers will be for you. Okay? Thank you all. Hari Om. Now my time is over. I will go now. It was such a delight to see you all. हमें आप लोगों से मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. आप लोग आश्रम आइए and keep yourself smiling and my love is always with you. Be on the top of the world. Try your best, leave the rest and be prepared for the worst. Thank you all. I love you all. And again, once again, be a proud person for your seniors, for your mother and father, and touch their feet every day. Hari Om and thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji. Let us open our hearts and minds to the wisdom that Swamiji has shared. Let our students imbibe the teachings that have the potential to transform our lives, to uplift our spirits, and be happy, as in every moment there is fulfillment. I also express my gratitude to our Honorary Secretary, Krishna Ma'am, for her inspiring presence. Ma'am, your vision, inspiration, and unwavering guidance brightens our path and our students' path and has given us an opportunity to connect with the profound teachings of Swamiji. Thank you so much, ma'am, for nurturing our journey of growth and understanding. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to become lost in material pursuits in search of happiness. Swamiji told us not to undermine ourselves, not to break up or break down in spite of hardships because they are a part of life, and foster a deeper understanding of ourselves and change our perspective of happiness. We express our heartfelt gratitude with humility to Puja Swami Abhedananda Ji for gracing us with his presence, and may his teachings guide our students and guide us towards a life filled with happiness, wisdom, compassion, and purpose. Thank you from all of us of Ganga Gurukulam. Thank you, Swami.